Everybody, this is Robin. I'm here with Guru and we're going to do a quick tutorial because I started doing this design and it was so pretty. So I have clear and then I have a dark purple brown that's called Car Service Twyla True. So I created a Franken polish out of it. So how you do that is you take a drop of this and then you add a bunch of clear coat to it and it makes like a sheer version. So let's see. So let me show you. Ooh, I have had nothing but bad luck with that color. So the first one I mixed really quick for this design was, it broke on my hand and hold on, it's funny. But I'm just going in like that. Then with the polish that's thick, go in like that. See, so now you have the sheer color of it and the non-sheer color of it on the other side. Then I'm going to go back in with the sheer over the top. And then just kind of push over it. And that will just give you more dimensions of the same color and make it look more thin. And then I have some sheer fairy dust, which is a clear, oh wait, let me do the step first. Then with this, I'm going to go in with black and brown mixed together with clear. And just go through, because I'm only doing one nail, I'm just doing it real quick for you guys. Tell me if you like this kind of tutorial that's quick. I try to give you more advice in each tutorial, but maybe a quick one now and again will be good. So here is what I'm doing, and I'm just making like layers with a dark brown paint across. And it's gonna look kind of like ruffles. Then with the sheer glitter and top coat, I'm gonna go in and just dot in this real pretty white glitter. What is it called? Unicorn glitter? I'm not sure. But I'm just going in with the unicorn glitter and letting it dry. And you hear my dishwasher. Okay, and then with a blue and top coat, I'm going in and just adding a little bit of blue. That's a cool color because it's getting cold out. So that's the design, and then there it is when it's all finished. And then I'm going to top coat, or I can go back in again with just this polish, the one I mixed, and with a little tiny brush, I'm going to go in with my brush. So I have polish on my brush, but I could go in again and just put another clear, quick little ruffle of that sheer color again, just to make it even that much more translucent. So it looks like it's a French that's going darker, darker, darker. Like that. It's just so pretty and feminine, and it matches with everything, and all the shell colors and all the light, all of the warm colors for fall and winter. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty. I'm gonna put this in the fall playlist and in the winter playlist, maybe even the elegant playlist, but you'll be able to find it. And I guess, what will I name it? I'm not sure.
What is the dressmaker who made all the slinky see-through dresses for years and years? I can't think of his name, but this would be beautiful with his dresses.
I keep wanting to say Zach Posen, but it's not. But yeah,
I think Cher was the first one that wore.
Oh, Mackie?
Yes.
Oh, Mackie.
Yeah, well, this would be beautiful with his dresses.
He did all of the fashion for the Carol Burnett show. Did you know that?
Even the one she made out of drapes?
Yeah, that was one of his most favorite creations, most famous creations. Fun fact at the nail shop. Okay, so I'm going to finish this out. Okay, so here is the end result, and let me get some clean light on here because you have to see it. But I wanted to show you this because it's just so pretty. It's pretty, it's fun, it's easy, and I figured why not just show this technique really quick. And this is all done with regular polishes. I did use one of my pigments that I've had for almost 30 years, and I just have to show it on camera. This one. And I've had it forever, and it's still, I'm droppy today. So that's it. That's how much I still have left, and I've used it forever. So anyways, this is one of the first eyeshadows I ever used for nails. I still have my first 3. So anyways, when something works, it works forever. And it still worked for this. So I hope you guys like it. Subscribe, get brushes, robinmosesnailart.com, and have fun painting. Okay? I'll see you back with more. Bye.